Welcome learners for lecture 17 of mathematical method. Previous lecture we discuss about the all topic of the convolutional or a faulting theorem same as a multiple Fourier transform. Today we discuss about this formula will be uses as a form that is a Fourier transform of the multiple form as well as the convolutional integral theorem to get it as a formula and to solve to the equation that will be generated to the form. Let us go started as the form. In the previous lecture we getting as a some formula will be changes and this formula will be uses in the form of this example. Let us go started as the example. First, prove that function of a n f of x minus a x2 tends to xi equals to e to the power I xi f of x tends to xi. Okay, this will be the now let us to the go to the solution. By definition of a n dimensional Fourier transform, we get it as a function that is a function of a n f of x tends to xi equals to formula will be getted as a form 2 pi minus pi by 2 integration Euclidean space en function of f of x e to the power I xi x d. This is called as a multiple Fourier transform formula. Let us go put it on the example. We get it to the form function of a f of n function will be generated x minus a x tends to z, means x tends to x minus a in the form. Okay, all of this will be constant, both this value will be put at x minus a. Then solve to the equation, put x minus a equals to t, then x equals to t plus a and dx equals to only as a dt because a is a constant of this function. F of n function of a x minus a x tends to a, put up to the value f of t e to the power I xi will be x containing as a t plus a dt. Both of these condition will be changing. Then 2 pi minus pi by integration Euclidean space f of t e to the power I xi t e will be containing for the separating to the form. First will be multiplied t, second will be multiply a e to the power I xi a dt. Then put up this all this value of the function and generated to the equation that will be the form of the equation 2 pi minus pi by 2. This a is a constant, means this value will be getting as an integrating form e to the power I xi a will be containing integration en f of t e to the power I xi t dt. Okay, integrated to the form, this will be constant to the form 2 pi minus pi by 2 in the integration. Replace t tends to x as a form to changing to the value of the equation that will be generated to the equation that is e to the power I xi a 2 pi minus pi by 2 integration en f of t e to the power I xi t will be containing as a x, dx will be put it in the value. Then function will be getted. This form is called as a EFN f of x tends to z. This is a formula of this equation and put it this formula value will be getted, means e to the power I xi a f of n f of x tends to z. This will be given as a only example for the using as a formula. It is a simple example for getting only replace as a value for getting as a formula, and changes to the value will be changing in the form when we containing of this equation for the function of the value, then value will be changes as a function as well as condition will be changes by using as a formula of the multiple Fourier transform. Okay, this is the first example. Let us go to started as a second example of this form. Prove that f of n delta will be containing as a form delta f upon delta x tends to xi equals to minus will be generating to the value minus I xi f of n f of x tends to xi for getting as a formula. Okay, same as a conditional. By definition of a n dimensional Fourier transform, f of n containing f of x tends to xi equals to formula will be uses that is a 2 pi minus pi by 2 integration en function of a x e to the power I xi x dx. This value will be getting. Then changing to the form that is f of x equals to del xi upon del x. ठीक है, then put up to the value del for f of x equals to del xi upon del x to the value. Then solve to the equation 2 pi minus pi by 2 integration en e to the power I xi x del f upon del x dx. This will be put it. Then integrating to the part of the equation that will be generated to the value, separating to the equation to the form both of this form. Then 2 pi minus pi by 2 e to the power I xi x integration del f upon del x dx En will be containing to the form in a constant value minus integration En e to the power I is I x generating to the form I is I integration del f of x del x dx. For using as a formula will be value. Then solve to the equation when using u into v to the rule as that form. Okay, 2 pi minus pi by 2 e to the power I is I x integration del f upon del x dx En. First part will be generating to the form by using as a u into v rule for the integrating value. Okay, this, this rule will be uses to the form. Then minus integration En e to the power I x integration del f of x upon del x dx. Okay, then solve to the equation. 2 pi will be common in this all this form of this equation, that is a to the power I x f of x. This is called as a f of x. Both of this equation for getting as an example En minus integration En I the common to the form of this equation e to the power I x f of x integration del f of x del x dx. Okay, this value will be put it. Then you know that this value will be put it in the form, that is a 2 pi minus pi by 2 minus will be generated to the value for getting as a value minus I xi integration En f of x e to the power I xi x dx will be getted at this value because of limit x tends to En f of x e to the power I xi x dx. This value will be changes as a condition. Hence we use this as a only one value. This will value will does not get it add to the form. Then minus sign is common to the form I is also common. 2 pi minus pi by 2 integration En f of x e to the power I x dx. This value will be changes. Hence proof of this equation for the getting as a functioning value of the value, that will be the containing to the value, that is a 0. Hence f of n del f upon del x tends to xi equals to minus I xi function. This is called as a function for giving to the value f of n f of x tends to xi. This is a example second to getting as a value for